Perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Somebody say FAUX TV and Razor vlog and vlog where I go on bodies. So I'm gonna get jealous and say I'm gonna go vlog today. I'm stepping out. I have a little business meeting to sort out some stuff. Guys, like don't get me started on my hair. Like I got you guys though. This edition is a gypsy edition of the Natural Glam LOCS and it's dropping this summer. So you guys can look out for that. Everything will be on the page. Of course, I always link the work Instagram down below in the description. So just did like a quick little beat and whatever, because I just want to look cute and I wanted to make some Instagram photos for you guys. So I'm there now. We're on a taxi. Yeah, drive sir, me I walk. I got one.
Check up this evening. Vendetta never catch my feelings. We might a deal, but we not in no dealings. Vendetta never catch my feelings. Nobody feel stress me, nobody feel fine.
Afternoon.
I'm check camera.
I'm a phone I always vlog with. Somebody just told me they have this Toshiba camcorder. That's like a long time. Oh my god, my locks are in full leak. Jay, you want to say hi? Say hi to the vlog. Guys, I'm at Promosis. No, remember some tell us I'm a vlog. Yes.
Hi guys.
This is the face of Promosis, guys.
Yeah, one of the
face.
yeah, so we're located at 23 East Street, Old Harbour. We do marketing and promotion, so we take care of your branding needs. We do branded envelopes, flyer design, we do letterhead design, website development, email hosting, web hosting. We do infomercial and commercial. We also offer studio sessions. So like if you ever have some product that you want to shoot, this is the place to call.
It is the place to call, guys.
Trust me, it is.
Them have me from a long time. So it start out as business with a friend now and it's still business, guys. Don't mix business and friendship. Support people. Alright.
Support is support.
Yes, support the support, and them always support me. So we're there so now I talk about some stuff more, put in motion and all of that. But I'm hungry. I need to get some to eat. I really don't want to eat. But I think I will take you guys with me when I go eat some. But it's Saturday, so-called kinda-ish holiday. Nobody not really do nothing, but some people are do things, and we just there bored. So I think we're gonna kind of like wrap it up now. I get basically all the information we need to get. But check out Promosis. I'm going to have the information down below in the description bar. Check them out, guys. It really no matter where in Jamaica you are. If you're looking to properly get your business marketed and all of that, them cover literally everything. So from your branding, your promotions, even if you're just a start, them offer really good business advice. So I'm going to put the information down below. Also the link to the Instagram. So support my brother, okay? All of that's gonna be down below in the description bar. So I will see you guys on the flip side. I'm for showing us something. Hold on. That's what I want to show you guys. It's right there. Alright. So support.
Always a problem. Always a system. Right, so with that tea, wine, whatever it is.
So then only decided what did happen?
Started it. I was going on and then phone mash up. Because we normally do it on Sundays. So I can Sunday.
That sounds like a good concept for something.
We talk a bunch of stuff. Next weekend.
Alright guys, my food come. I'm eating chicken Alfredo. It look kind of different than how it normally look, but I don't know why. But I'm at Russell by myself eating. How fun is that? Together we grow. All I want you to know. Not a mukbang. Smirnoff. Very cheesy. I'm about to get this in a to-go box, guys. Yeah, I'm tomorrow. That's it, kind of salty. So like after this, I'm going to go home and go edit. I have a vlog. I have a makeup tutorial I want to drop tomorrow. I have a challenge video with me and my friend Jeffrey record all long now. Guys, I'm so in love with my nails. Are you serious, man? This one fell off, but we're gonna ignore that, right? It's still light outside. I'm going to get this to go. The guy at the bar promised that he was going to make me a drink, so I'm going to drink that and go home. I still can't wait to drop these locks on you guys. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave all the Russells now and I bought another drink. But I'm not going back on film because that just not smart. I literally can't feel like a lion in on the camera. Pop up the earth and drop them flat.
You know, see all my sexy and me have my little cute face. Nothing them not have over me. Boy, me walk out, touch me ear pan a girl, cause her man pay feet. Your man still have my over me.
Colony, let me touch your body slowly. Come on, my baby, come and hold me. Come, let me touch you. Come, let me touch you. Come, let me touch you. Come, let me touch you, girl.
You got it, you got it. When I look into your eyes, it's over. I'm into you, I'm into you, I'm into you, yeah.
Hey guys, so I reached home and I was just having a little fun on Snapchat and team. I'm a little bit buzzed, guys, just a little bit. But I'm about to go edit some laptop setup stuff. I'm about to go edit and that's pretty much just going to be it for the night. I'm gonna put another drink in the freezer because I feel like I want one more Smirnoff. Guys, I'm a lightweight. I get frost easy. I only had 2 Smirnoffs. I kind of chugged the second one because I was walking and drinking it, but I have one more in my cabinet. I'm going to put it in the freezer. Maybe I'm gonna have a glass of wine. Not so much to the point where I'm not functional, because I know that I have to edit because I have to post tomorrow. I literally have to post tomorrow. So I guess for the rest of the night I'm just going to edit and just chill. So I guess this is it for this vlog, guys. I just really wanted to take you guys with me on the road. I hope I got enough clips to put together to make a good vlog for you guys. I'm not really 100% sure. Once again, the Gypsy LOCS will be dropping this summer. So if you don't live here and you're here in the summer, you want to get an install, y'all already know what to do. Send me a WhatsApp message. I'm gonna have all my info down below in the description, so you guys can check that out. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Like, I missed making videos so badly. I like go back on YouTube and like just read through the comments, and even though I don't really get to answer you guys like often, I really wish that I did. I have taken a little bit of time off. I won't be working from the 20th to the 1st. So within that time, I'm going to be, you know, taking more time for myself, and I'm also going to be doing more work on the computer. Some more editing. I have a lot of unedited files, guys. I have a lot of content for you guys that I have not even gotten the chance to work on. I'm gonna fix it though. I'm gonna fix it. Consistency is key, and when you're being torn in different directions, because I mean, the hair aspect of work takes up a lot of my time. I'm on my feet like all day, so I don't really have time. Like when I'm done working, I just want to go to sleep. But I'm gonna do better phone. I want to do more. Summer's coming. I want to do more makeup tutorials. I want to do more hair tutorials. I want to do stuff for you guys. So I don't even know, like, whereas hair tutorials are concerned, they didn't have enough time. So I'm gonna say how best I can manage that. Yes, you guys did see curls. Them not laid on right now. But the gypsy is going to be so cute. I cannot wait. Really can't wait. I am just young. I'm not gonna work tonight. I'm not gonna work, so if you can't go sleep. I tell us say yo Razor and Jay from Fastbox TV, I get so jealous because I say yo the vlogs are going good with the views and thing, and I'm just like, why am I not vlogging? So as I told you guys, there will be a vlog that will be going up before this vlog, because this vlog is totally random. There's another vlog that I want to put up before this, as well as a makeup tutorial and something else. I really don't remember what it is right now. But I've been binge watching stuff on Netflix. I found this one called You, Me, Her. Yo, stressed out. I'm stressed out, guys. But I'm gonna finish watch that tonight when I take like my breaks. I want to make sure that I finish editing the video first. So once I finish editing the video and it's rendering, I'm gonna watch some You, Me, Her and just enjoy my nights. It's only me. So yeah. And you guys already know, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Let's get this ball rolling with the subscribers, guys. Like, when you guys like show me the love, I go just feel motivated for continue for make the videos, you know what I mean? So yeah, like, don't forget to subscribe. Sorry. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, guys. Thumbs up this video if you like the vlog. Yeah, I want to do another playlist video. So if you guys want that, drop me a comment and say playlist or new playlist. Say new playlist down in the comment section. That's the term for the day, new playlist. And I'm gonna make a new video for you guys with a playlist that I love. I might just make it on Snapchat because I can do more. I can do more like that. I might just make that a thing, yo. My teeth look so nice. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.